What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK-Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to make a rain.
What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, Mr. CoolCat-Mitch YouTube, representing your 4-0 Philadelphia Eagles. Your Super Bowl champion, Philadelphia Eagles. Your Philadelphia Eagles are 4-0. The only undefeated team in the NFC and the NFC East. We hold the possession of the #1 seed, the first round bye, and home field advantage at the link as of right now. Right? As of right now. Now, you have every right to be mad at the play calling of Kevin Patullo. I want to grab about it. Want to give him the elbow drop like. Right. I want to. That's what I want to do to Kevin Patullo, just elbow drop. Because you did this versus the Rams and you did it versus the Bucks, with your one half awesome, the other half, ah! Right? You got A.J. Brown tweeting to the point where get up. First Take, The Herd, First Things First. All these shows are going to be talking about it. Why? Because it's A.J. Brown. But at the end of the day, and defense, y'all got to be better, by the way. Right? It was the offense's fault as well, but let them hang around. With 2 bombs to the touchdown from Baker. You gotta be better than that. But at the end of the day, your Philadelphia Eagles is still the only undefeated team in the NFC and the NFC East. People like Chase Daniels said we wouldn't survive this slate of 4 games. With the Cowboys week 1, with the Chiefs week 2, with the Rams week 3, with the Bucks week 4. Some people thought we were going to be 1-3. Because you got the Cowboys dropping your banner against your hated rival. The Super Bowl rematch. The divisional round rematch. And a team that's been owning Jalen freaking Hurts for years. And guess what? 4-0, bitch. 4-0, bitch. Can any team in the NFC say that? No. You got the Dallas Cowboys and the Green Bay Packers but most definitely the Dallas Cowboys celebrating a tie. The Cowboys celebrating a tie. What a I would never, ever celebrate a tie. Not your boy. We went through that in 2020 in COVID year when we tied with the Bengals. A tie. You got that fan base celebrating a tie. Okay? So let's go through the division real quick. The Cowboys, 1-2-1. The Commanders is 2-2. The Giants is 1-3. The Packers 1-2-1, I think. Or 2-1, whatever. Right? The Lions has a loss. Right? The Minnesota Vikings is 2-2. The Bears has a couple losses. The Bucks has a loss. The Saints suck. The Panthers suck. The Falcons are 2-2. The 49ers lost. The Rams lost to us. Seattle lost a game. The Cardinals is cursed. So you got all these teams with a couple losses. And your Philadelphia Eagles is 4-0. You have every right to be mad at Kevin Patullo with them two halves in these two games. One half versus the Rams, and good the second half versus the Rams. Good versus the Bucks one half, bad in the second half. You have every right to be mad. You also, like A.J. Brown tweeting, I get it. It's like, ah! But you're 4-0. You have every right to be emotional. You have every right to be emotional. You do. But you're 4-0. 4-0. By the time you hit your bye, you could be 8-0. Because you got the Giants twice, you got the Minnesota Vikings, and you got the Broncos. Before you go on your bye. And after what I saw from the damn Packers, by the time you hit your bye, you'll get your ish together and you'll be 9-0. Detroit, please. I'm alright. 10-0. The Cowboys, 11-0. Chargers, 12-0. Raiders, 13-0. Commanders, 14-0. Commanders again, 15-0. Bills, who knows? I'm just saying, Eagles Nation. You have every right to be mad at Kevin Patullo with his play calling. You have every right to be mad. A.J. Brown tweeting. You gotta stop that. But I get it. He's frustrated because he wants the ball. I understand A.J. Brown wants the ball. But at the end of the day, I slept like a baby knowing that my Philadelphia Eagles is 4-0. With all the boo and the craziness and the tweeting and the nonsense and the when people like Chase Daniels said Cowboys, Chiefs, Rams, Bucks, They ain't got a chance in hell. The Eagles probably might be 1-3. The Eagles might be 1-3. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, yeah. Get out the way, get the out of my way, yeah. You either with me or against me, though. You either with me or, yeah, win. Win, 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 win. Everything else, win, 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 win. Stop chasing that yes. Win, 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 win. Win, 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 win. 4-0. CoolCat-Mitch tonight. Birds Broad Street tonight. Jalen Feekenhurst podcast tonight. 4-0, baby.